Okay, will you get the nutrients that your body needs from fruits and vegetables? Absolutely. The best vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, enzymes, fiber, water, proteins, fats, carbohydrates are found in fruits and vegetables. You will not get any better than that, especially when they're live, when they haven't been cooked. Okay, they are the best source, and you're getting plenty of protein. You know, think about it, there's so much marketing hype, and that's the way we're brought up, you know. The typical Western medical protocol where, you know, we need something else other than, you know, good food, you know, to make us healthy. We need some pill or some potion or some powder, you know, that's, you know, going to help us get healthy. Would you rather have something in a bottle, okay? Now, am I against the use of all herbs and supplements like vitamin C, vitamin B12? No, I'm not against it all. And matter of fact, I take B12 on occasion, but that's it. If you're eating a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, you're getting basically pretty much everything you need, even B12, okay? But, you know, because nowadays everything is so cleaned up, so to speak, or bacteria-free, because remember, in fruits, in the apple, where the stem comes out there could be some B12 in there. But if you over clean it, if you know, put bleach to it or whatever to kill the germs, you're also killing the B12. And our bodies manufacture B12. And the body's ability to manufacture B12 is many times hindered by the overconsumption of saturated fats. So if you're on a low-fat diet, which I am, my body's probably, you know, doing fine manufacturing B12. But, you know, just to make sure, because, hey, I was on a high-fat diet for 58 years. So, you know, there's nothing wrong with taking B12 once in a while, or some vitamin C, let's say, once in a while. But why not eat the whole food? I mean, what would you rather have? These, I've got black sapote, Hamlin orange. This is a hachia persimmon, and a nice ripe banana. What would you rather have, that or something in a bottle or a protein powder? You know, people buy these powders as if the powder is going to grow their muscle. There is nothing that grows muscle except resistance training. You have to break down the mitochondria, and then if you're eating, you know, 10% protein, very small amounts, we don't need too much protein. Your body, your muscles will grow fine. Okay, so it's the mindset that I'm talking about. And what made me think of that, I got this in the mail. You see what it says there? What does it say? Lifelong wellness starts here. And then when you open this up, I mean, what are they selling? Protein powders to grow muscle. More protein powders. Keto. Clinically proven keto lean for life powder sticks. Oh yeah, that's much better than a banana or an orange or a persimmon. It's a joke. Smarter greens. You know, why not eat the romaine lettuce, the green leaf lettuce, the kale, the collard greens? Remember, when we eat food the way God prepared it, the way that He originally made it, it's in the proper proportions and ratios for our bodies to easily assimilate it. When you get something out of a bottle, it's been extracted. There are so many ingredients and different things that scientists don't even know about, you know, so we need everything that's in the package for our bodies to assimilate it and use it to our benefit. So, you know, remember that. Whole foods, fruits and vegetables, they're in that proper ratio and proportion for you and for me and for every other human. So remember, it's not in a pill, it's not in a potion, it's not in a powder. People want the magic bullet. It doesn't exist. If you want good health, you have to work for it by eating the food that promotes it. You have to eat the food that promotes it, not take the pill or the powder. So please give me a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified anytime I put up another video. All the best, guys, to your health success. Fruit up.